Hi everybody, here's what we did in class this week, and thank you for your patience on me getting this video to you. Today the main new thing we did was we used the guitar pick. And guitar picks are pretty cool, and the first question I have for you is, what part of the pick should never touch the strings? Kind of an interesting question. It's the flat part. Either side. The only thing that should touch the strings is the edge. So to hold the pick, hold it with point down, take your thumb horizontal, put it in the middle of the back, take two fingers like that. And this is going to hold the pick real sturdy and not let it flop out of your hands and go into sound hole. So what you do is practice going, you can post a pinky down here, which I would never let you do. We're just going to pluck one string. Go ahead and set it flat on the string, like I said not to do. Now, take it and roll it up onto an edge. So now it's hard for you to see this. But if I turn this way, here's flat, and here's up on an edge. Now just the edge is touching, and when I stroke the string slides around the edge. And on the way back up, slides off the other edge. So if you're going to play like the pentatonic scale, you can go down, up, just get used to that. If it feels like the pick is binding, it's too flat on the string. Listen to the difference. This is flat, and I roll it up onto its side, and you can roll it up onto this side or on the other side. Some people, depending on where your thumb and index meet, either way it's fine. Your pinky can be down on the wood, which is something I would not let you do if you were playing fingerstyle, but it gives you some stability, and most guitarists that I know that use pick a lot use a pinky posted here for stability. Try the second string and the third string. Again, the pick is touching the string on its edge, not on the flat part. See the angle I've got here? This would be flat, in line with the string, flat on the string. Angle it down or angle it up. Either way, get it up on an edge. Fourth string. My pinky's starting to come up and resting on the first string. Fifth string. And sixth string. If you have too much angle, you'll get a scratchy sound like that. So you got to flatten it out a little bit to get rid of the scratchy sound. So let's play the pentatonic scale. Let's do 4 repeated notes with a straight rhythm. Ready? Go. Oops. Ready? Go. First string. For strumming, I like to hold with 2 fingers. A lot of times with picking, you just hold it with 1 so that you can have 3 fingers free to pluck the other strings. This is called hybrid picking. Very much like our fingerstyle, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to strum the strings, hold it with 2 fingers. The trick is not to hold it too tight. Just hold it enough that it doesn't fly out of your hands. Let's do the 12-bar blues. Ready, go. Be sure not to scratch your guitar. Hit the strings with the edge of the pick, not the flat part. So that's something that would be fun to do. If you were going to play a bass note strum, like for Rock Around the Clock, I don't have my capo, but you just pluck with the pick and strum. Put your glad rags on and join me, hun. Have some fun when the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. So you can play around with the pick and have a good time with that. The other thing we want to make sure you're on top of is the Greensleeves melody. I'm going to play that for you, and you're welcome to play along. It's important to listen to it and to use the right fingers up here. All the fingering is consistent with the pentatonic scale. So your fourth finger is on the 3rd frets, second finger on the 2nd frets, and first finger on the 1st fret. So here's Greensleeves melody. Ready, go. Third line. The chords. Strum once for each chord. Get ready with your A minor. Ba 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 All right, see you next week.